Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to reply on a comment on TikTok with a video. So if you want to reply on a comment with a video, then what you gotta do is open TikTok. As you guys can see on my inbox, Vizzy Vista, which is my another account, has commented nice one. So if I want to reply on this, I can just click on this comment, hold on this comment, press on reply with a video. If I hold on this comment, then like this menu appears and I can click on reply with a video. As you guys can see, the comment is on the top. Now if I want to make a video like this or choose from my gallery, depends on it. So let me just say I want to reply it with this video. Press on next, press on next, post. It's currently posting, just wait for it. And boom, my video just got posted. As you guys can see, I replied to the comment. As you guys can see, I can see the comment as well. So that's how you reply to a comment with a video on TikTok. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.